Welcome to RelaxGrow. Like, subscribe and share. Interior painting and denting, all is being removed. Restructuring properly. Denting in progress. Picking up tools for fixing and tightening the removed parts. Working on wheels. After denting the damaged sides, it is being painted in white on respective needed sides. This is how it appears. Cleaning out dust from the car using cleaner. Spraying car cleaning chemicals on car. Now, water mixed with car cleaning chemicals. After that, spraying water with full force. Now specially focusing on car glasses. Cleaning using soft sponge. Now, focusing on the glass edges. Interior cleaning. After a day, painting work is started. Spray painting ongoing. Dark red color. After a day, car polishing started, for shining. One, two, three. After all work completed, the next day during delivery. it like a new car. The revitalized legend. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.